Hey, what's up? Today we are looking at some of the cutest, most adorable animals on TikTok. So these videos are actually scientifically proven to boost your mood. So let's boost our mood. Let's go. Seeing which of my cats will tolerate this oh, Millie, 10 out of 10. My cat would not tolerate that at all. No way. What was that? Okay. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, that was cute. Oh, the filter. The filters. The filter. Oh! You just got beautified. Flying squirrels? Are these flying squirrels? I don't think I've ever seen these in real life. Have you? Oh, it's so cute though. Okay. Oh my god, is that a chinchilla? Chinchilla! About... No, you're making it do that. What do we got here? One? Yeah, he's mad now. Yeah, give him more than that. That's not nice. Yeah, look how mad they're getting. Oh my gosh. Oh. Needs air to breathe. Okay, yeah, you need air to breathe. Okay, here we've got a beautiful kitten falling asleep.
Pretending my dog bit me and seeing his reaction.
When you were that small?
Ow! Ow!
He's like, oh, it's okay, it's okay. I'll make it better. What'd you find? Babies? He had babies. She had babies. Excuse me. What are you doing in there? Okay, this filter. That was so funny. My parents having a chill afternoon. Me squeaking for vegetables. Aww.
Yeah, of course.
Give them the veggies.
Do girls not have balls?
Girls do not have balls, no.
So when a girl goes to scratch her balls, how does that work?
Get neutered?
I just don't understand what...
What is that? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. You're so cute though. You're just... Everything's so fast. A little ball. Aww. Imagine you had a pet ball. So excited that we rescued 2 guinea pigs. Yeah, you got 2 new friends now. What's up? Hey, friends. Yeah, I bet you want in with them. Don't eat them, though. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if you're allowed, baby. Oh, I guess you're allowed. Yeah, I'm sure they were afraid. Okay, I guess... Yeah, they'll warm up. They'll warm up to her. Right? They just need to get used to each other. And then they'll be cuddling in no time. Oh, you have another... Whoa, you live in a zoo. How many animals do you have? Oh, look at... They're so happy. Majestic. Come on, you know this is majestic. Oh my god, your majesty.
Wait a second, what are those things? You're unleashing them? Get me up!
Oh no.
They're swarming me!
Oh my god, I've never seen this. I've never seen anything
Barely
like that.
escaped with my life that day. Sorry, I just, apparently they're called puppies.
Yeah.
I like to call them fluffy little demons.
Yeah, because they
Yeah.
swarmed
So anyways,
you.
that's why I hate puppies.
Hey, like...
Gasp at your dog and watch their reaction.
They're gonna be shocked. Actually, seems like they don't really care. I'm not a boy, I'm not a girl. I'm a coconut.
Here is
Guys,
a compilation of Mr.
I don't know how I
Marshmallow
feel about that.
inhaling different foods.
I don't know if that
Baby
boosted my
corn.
mood. Made it worse.
A green grape,
Oh my god. Okay, this
A
is
cherry.
boosting it.
slice of kiwi, a purple grape,
He likes everything. All the fruits. Hey, you little fruit. Being called by the human to help with their stupid mental health. Hey, kitty, you know what that's all about. You're used to that. Hey, kitty, why don't you come here? Come watch these animal videos. No. Meet Theo's emotional support toy. Okay. He's like holding it in his heart. You can tell it's really his emotional support toy.
What do you want?
Okay, what do you got for me here?
You want fresh water?
You want fresh water? Good. Oh, communication. Wow, you're such a good communicator. I have something to show you. Is it your beautiful majesty? I love it. Thank you for
Only
showing.
cats can hear this sound that I'm about to play. All you have to do is bring your cat closer to your phone and just watch how they react to this sound. And if you don't have a cat, send this to someone who has one and ask them how they reacted.
She doesn't-
Look what I made for
That cat
dinner
liked it.
today.
What did you make? What did you make for me today? It's beautiful. Oh, the poor thing. Look at this such poor thing. Oh my god. That looks like my first cat, kind of. Ready. Oh, you're so cute. It's okay, you're safe now. You gotta keep him. What do you mean? You weren't sure what to do with him. You gotta keep him. Oh my god, he's so sweet. Look, he's so hungry. Oh, he's not in danger. You're okay. You're okay, baby. Look at your family now. Family of dogs. What a sweetie. Oh my god, I can't get enough. Oh yeah. Good job. Oh, you're such a good angel. Look, he's back to normal. Just needed some love. Ah, what a cutie. Oh, careful. Don't, I wouldn't let them do that. They're cuddling. Oh my god, I can't even see this. It's so cute. Kitty, do you want a dog? No. No. Oh my god. Look, they're growing up. They're like getting bigger now. This is like a time lapse. Oh, what a little baby. Huh. Yeah, such a handsome boy. They're actually best friends. That's so cute. Is that not the cutest thing ever? Oh, yeah. I'm glad they kept him, eh? Part of the family. Aren't you so good? Now he has such a good life, eh? From being outside to having such a good life. He's so happy. Good job. Good job rescuing this poor thing from your backyard. Wow. Oh, I have a special place in my heart for the ginger cat. The ginger cats. Little Mango. Oh my god, their name's Mango. Okay, looks like we got a kitten montage.
What are you doing in my house?
That looks like a wolf.
What are you doing in my house? I want
Yeah,
waffle fries.
that's a wolf.
Grandma keeps saying she wants
that a
Mom
wolf?
to have babies. Well, Grandma, if you don't start recognizing me as a grandchild, I am going to tell Mom to put you in a home.
A little extreme. Is that a raccoon? Or a bear? What is this thing? Is this a cat? Is that a cat? That's so funny. Aww. 'Cause I'm too derpy? No. Oh my god, why's your tongue like that? Oh my god. Maybe this is like a special dog. It seems like it's pretty special.
In the hell kind of contraption is this? Hold on, let me just... Whoa,
Those things keep
hell
you
is that?
really
Slow.
cool.
I bop you. And I bop you again. You know, I can't seem to figure you... Wait, oh, in the whiskers, screw you. You son of a... Huh, get over here. You said... Oh!
Oh, you took it out. Good job.
You know what? I'm sorry, Mr. Are you know, you're gonna be okay.
Look at my happy.
They make toys out of anything,
Oh,
don't
just
they?
a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the
Yes,
happy
you are
dog.
very happy. When your puppy bites you too hard, but forgets your Asian. Oh, okay. What the kind of joke was that? The whale said, yes, it did.
In case you are having a bad day, watch this dog relax in a fountain in the middle of the street.
What are you doing? Did you see that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me just fix my camera
I
here.
feel pretty sorry for the next guy who looks at me funny.
Okay, we're fixed.
What about that guy?
A seal getting released. Release day for oyster. High temperature and wounds on a real flipper. And now, a month of recovering, ready to go back into the wild. And look, so happy. Good job. Oh, the little look back. Oh my god. Yeah, check it out. Okay, I think we're gonna end it there. I feel like it boosted my mood. I feel a little bit better now. So thank you so much for watching with me. If you want to see more, I've got other animal videos on my channel, and I've also got a whole bunch of other random topics. So check it out. Thanks for being here. We made it to 250 subscribers somehow. 250? Like what? That's like so many people. I don't even think I know that many people. So thank you so much for being here. It really means a lot. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.